It's all about, reducing losses, reducing waiting time, speeding up our supply chains, whilst obviously also, eliminating, unnecessary work. So, in the spirit of what we're talking here on net zero, one of the things we do quite deliberately and regularly is, cleaning and sanitization of our equipment. But by using the digital data, we can actually better target when and how we choose to do that, so, as opposed to a fixed frequency. And of course, the way we clean and sanitize is lots of water, lots of heat, which of course has some impact on the net zero challenge that we have. So if we can better target that using our digital data, our inline sensors to predict when we need to do it, as opposed to we just do it every month, then that will obviously lead to better savings, better predictability, more throughput, better efficiency in our manufacturing processes.